having that flat black stuff in there, that just messes up the look.
Like that right there?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It is a beautiful day today. I'm here under the Fair and Exchange tent, and the reason why I'm here, my dad's motorcycle is an ultra classic that had the flat black interfering. He got the cam, he got the tuner, he got everything on it, but the flat black was just an eyesore. But we're going to take care of that with the Fair and Exchange. If you haven't been to the Fair and Exchange, hey, matter of fact, I'm going to let Paul tell you. I'm going to introduce you to Paul, and I'm going to let Paul tell you where he's going to be at the next rally. Hopefully I'll get this video uploaded before then. First of all, that's my dad right there, and this is his Ultra. That's Paul working on it. Paul, what's going on?
We're just having fun here getting this thing upgraded.
Tell them what you do here at the Fair and Exchange.
Well, as I'm doing on this, we take off the flat black parts.
Yeah.
I've got his old fairing sitting in that stack over there that we just took off of there.
Look, this is what happens to the old fairings. This right there. Guys, you got it. If you're going to have your bike, you put a lot of time and effort into it. Changing out the interfering really enhances the look on your motorcycle. Where are you going to be, Paul? What's next for you?
Actually, from here we go to Fayetteville, Arkansas, or actually Rogers, Arkansas.
Okay.
Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue.
Bikes, Blues, and when is that?
That is in Rogers, Arkansas. It's next week. So we go straight from here. We'll be there Tuesday, set up Wednesday, leave there Saturday, then we go back to Myrtle Beach. Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue is what it's called. Well, we'll walk you right over here. This bike we just put a Clockworks fender on. Clockworks wrapper fender on this bike.
That's nice. Nice.
That bike we did some custom dynamics lights. You know all about that stuff.
Custom dynamics, guys. And they're not here at the rally, but when they're not here, they still are represented well by this guy here. Anything you need, lower fairing lights, they got everything. Come see this guy at the rally.
So anyway, here's a bike that came in a while ago. We took the flat black inner off of it and put the color match fairing on it.
Look at that.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Yes, it is. That must be yours right there.
Yeah.
This young lady here is all excited about getting her bike back.
That is the best having that flat black stuff in there, that just messes up the look.
Like that right there?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Now, like I tell everybody, when you get on your bike and leave here, watch where you're going, not your fairing. Too easy to look at that. There's too many people around here.
I know.
But with this upgrade here of the inner fairing, when you're riding a bike, that's what you see.
That's right.
That's what you're looking at all the time. It doesn't matter what else you put on the bike. This gentleman just spent a lot of money on a wheel and fender, but you only see him when it's sitting still. This here you see every time you're looking at it.
That's right. This is the view that you're going to see when you're riding. I feel like it ain't complete unless the fairing matches. And here we go, Fair and Exchange. They'll take care of it for you. So what's after Arkansas? What's after that?
We go to Myrtle Beach.
What's after Myrtle Beach?
Daytona.
I don't think he's ever home. This thing is probably always on the road, right? Okay. I might see you guys in Daytona. Matter of fact, Paul, do y'all have Dakota Digital?
We do.
Guys, I've been looking at Dakota Digital on the street glide. Comment, let me know if I should get that on the bike. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to show you the finished result when he gets done. I've taken enough of his time. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.
And I'll show you when it gets done.
The East Coast know, y'all. They know about that black music.
Yeah.
Put that 21 on there, too.
What's your name, man? Where you ride, man?
We're out of New Jersey, man.
No, what do you ride?
What do I ride? Harley-Davidson Ultra Low.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching the channel.
Yes, sir.
I got some. Leonard got them all. Oh no, I got them right here.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. You ever finished
What's your name, man?
Phil.
Where you ride?
VTX.
VTX, a Honda.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah. Forgive him. Forgive him.
You know
He got
what?
his baby shoes on.
Okay. Hold on. You coming over to them glides one day?
No, I'm going to the Gold Wing.
All right. We ain't edit. Now, have you watched the channel before?
Yeah.
And I ain't got you on a glide yet?
I'm still watching. No, you ain't
I got to do better. Nah, thanks for watching, for real. What's your name, man?
Jay, man.
Jay. Where you ride, Jay?
I'm a Gold Wing man. If I watch your channel, I can watch every video you done made.
All right. Y'all need to watch a little bit longer. Because if you watch a little bit,
waiting for.
All right there?
Yes, sir.
That's a good looking bike. Hold on, I'm coming your way. I'm coming your way. Thanks for watching, man.
All right, man.
All right, tell me your name.
What I ride? I got an Ultra Limited 2013.
All right, all right.
Custom everything. 16s and the whole nine on it.
Now you see he riding.
I got 21 after watching your show.
Too, though. Oh,
He got a gold wing too.
ain't nothing wrong with having two. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
And I did the upgrade on them systems.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching the channel.
No doubt.
Let me give you one of these.
You know on the West Coast
Yeah.
and the East Coast. Don't get it twisted, folks. You know what he's doing.
Here you go, man. Thank you for
All right,
watching.
thank you, brother.
Street Glide.
Street Glide.
CEO, that's right. Oh,
Yes, sir.
hey, tell me your name.
Ellen.
Ellis. I know what he's riding because he's on it, and that thing is looking nice. What you getting done, Ellis?
LED gauge.
I need some LED gauges on my bike. It looks good, man. It looks good. I know I need to come see Paul and get some. So you watch the channel?
Of course.
Let me-
I saw you yesterday.
Let me give you one of these. Let me give you one of these here.
Thank you, sir.
All right, man. Well, thank y'all for watching. You in good hands with this guy over here. Yeah, he's taking care of my dad's bike. He's doing some stuff on it. That's looking real good. I'm here with another subscriber. You're a subscriber?
Yes.
Where you ride, Eric?
Street Glide.
That's what I'm talking about. Another Street Glide rider. Where you from?
New York.
New York. I want to thank you for watching, man. Hold on, let me see if I got any more decals here. How's it going, man?
What's up, Joe? How you doing,
What's
man?
your name?
Black.
Black?
Yeah.
Where you ride, Black?
Full Glide Special.
Okay, we going back over here.
Yeah.
Come back over here. We just gonna do that.
We the Street Glide.
That's right. Oh, what's your name? What's your name? Smoke. So,
Street Glide, Road Glide.
I knew you was going to go with
That's what you doing.
you gliding. That's all that matters. You gliding. Let me give you one of these. Let me give you one of these. Here, let me give you one.
That's what's up,
Hey,
man.
thanks for
Thanks a
watching
lot.
the channel, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Here you go. Thanks for. If y'all want to check the bike out, it's up there at Chromeworks over there.
We was just over there.
All right, y'all gonna be on YouTube.
All right.
All right, I see.
I'm not a subscriber, but I work and I've checked it out. I know, what was it, Cycle Fanatics, John?
Yeah,
He just came through the other day with his buddy Glenn and...
good people.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, real good guy. Where you ride, John?
Got a 19 Road Glide.
Road Glide. Another Road Glide.
Took 41,000 miles on it.
But you know what? He's still gliding though. As long as you got a Road Glide, Street Glide, you gliding. Guys, I just ran into another viewer. Tell me your name again.
John Lancaster.
John Lancaster. Where you ride?
Right, Street Glide.
That's what I'm talking
All right,
about.
right.
Thanks for watching, man.
I appreciate
Thanks for watching. You have a good day. I am with two more viewers. Tell me your name again.
Name's Dean.
Dean. Where you ride?
Ride 2014 Street Glide.
That's what I'm talking about. Tell him your name.
Houdini.
Where you ride?
Kawasaki McQuail.
Nah, I'm just playing. You good. You good.
He was right the first time.
Right, right.
Right. I was waiting for him to get here. I was already here.
It's all good.
You know what
It's
that
all
means.
good. It's all good. What's your name, man?
Goat.
The Goat. Where you ride?
Voyager?
You watch the channel?
Nah.
He don't even watch. You watch. You watch.
I watch it.
You watch. Thanks for watching, man. Thank you.
Watch it too, buddy.
Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.
It's at least one real bite out of the three of them.
You know, I didn't want to say that, you know. I done said it 1,000 times today, but I'm going to say it one more time.
Yeah, okay.
That if you ain't gliding, you ain't riding.
I heard that last night for the first time.
You heard that last night for the first time?
Yeah, I didn't think I was going to hear it again.
You didn't think it's going to... I was just playing, man. Thank you for watching.
right.
Thank y'all, man.
Take care.
Thank
I'll
you.
check it out.
What do you think about the new painted interference?
I like that. It looks good.
Yeah, it definitely looks a whole lot better than the flat black one. Yeah, so guys, the Fairing Exchange, they did it. It didn't take that long. You know, like he was saying, you could take it off, paint it, but these guys literally had it done in less than 2 hours. That's the way to do it. Look at that. Oh, sorry. Look how that looks on that motorcycle. So you happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Okay then, guys. Well, we're going to get out of here and on to the next stop. But make sure you check out Fairing Exchange.
I'm sorry.
And, oh, no, you good, man. You good. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
That's it right there, guys. Check that out. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Man, I'm one of your subscribers, man.
Thank you. What's your name?
Marlon.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
That's your fault.
That's my brother-in-law.
That's your fault.
Yeah, that's my daddy.
Your sister.
Yeah, yep.
I know.
Yeah, he just got the new
Interfering.
yeah.
It's the Ultra, you know.
All right, guys, y'all make sure y'all check that out at the Fairing Exchange. Next rally you go to, check out Fairing Exchange. That looks great on his motorcycle. All right, I'm in this video here. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, Please subscribe. Check out Parent Exchange at the next rally. I want to thank you for watching. And hey, Ocean City has been great. I want to tell you to keep gliding. And as always, have a blessed day.